Dollar Tree DIY flower decor. You will need planter, dry floral foam, and cattail flowers. Place the dry foam inside your planter. Cut off the labels. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider pressing the subscribe button. Thank you so much. Now go ahead and insert the flowers into the floral foam. Distance them approximately equally from each other. Open them up to make it look more realistic. Have you subscribed to my channel yet? What are you waiting for? Press the subscribe button now. Voila! Here is your Dollar Tree DIY flower decor number 1. Flower decor number 2. Insert a circular floral foam into a planter. Insert varieties of beautiful spring flowers of your choice. Now, go ahead and open the flowers up. It's already looking so beautiful. If you haven't already done so, please like and subscribe to my channel. Open all the flowers up and that's it. How beautiful and easy it is. Instantly brightens up your home using only Dollar Tree items. Voila! Here is your Dollar Tree DIY flower decor number 2. Here are your Dollar Tree DIY flower decor. Beautiful and effortless. Thank you so much for watching my video. Keep sparkling. Until next time, take care.